Hi guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. Firstly, oh my gosh, thank you so much. I cannot believe the response I got to these behind the camera videos. Honestly, I didn't know how everyone would take them. I didn't know everybody's sort of opinion or how they felt about not seeing me, but to be honest, you guys know what I look like, so it's no biggie. So today I'm going to review, I'm so excited, so this is so great. I'm going to review my highly requested bag to review. This is my new to me, totally MM, and in obviously monogram. I purchased this bag with quite a lot of thought actually to be my baby bag. I know for my second child. I do know that this kind of has a stigma of being a baby bag. That is not the main reason I went for it, because, you know, obviously a lot of people have this as a handbag, and I don't want to offend anyone saying, yes, it's very much like a baby bag, in my opinion, because it's not. I can't wait till, you know, I've had my children and I can use this as a handbag, because it truly is a really great bag. This model of handbag from Louis Vuitton is only available on the resale market now. You can get these in great condition. And I picked this up from FASHIONPHILE.com, and it's a made in USA bag. It is so beautiful. It's a softer canvas, and I knew I wanted monogram. I did originally kind of want Damier Azure, but I changed my mind very quickly on that, on how dirty it would get. Sorry, what perfect timing. My little one just woke up. I think he knew we were talking about him, so he's just in my pouch here while I do this review. If you're looking for a zipper top tote in this price range from Louis Vuitton new, the all-in is really great. So that's what I was going to get new. However, what this offered in the way of pockets and a layout, even resale, I wanted to go with this more. It just had more character. The all-in's beautiful. Like, no, I'd love to get that as like a luggage piece, I suppose. Anyway, let's go over how I've got this laid out as a baby bag. I know a lot of you are probably not going to be interested if you don't have babies, but I'll just show you anyway, and then I can just show you how I put things in it. So he has a bibby for feeding there and spit ups. So it's a nappy bag, obviously. So we have diapers, nappies on top. Then the compartments are what's so great. So you have a a flat slip compartment long on the back wall here, and on the flip side you have two slip compartments, and that makes it so handy for access to little things. In this slip compartment I have his wipes, which I usually carry a smaller one. I have Dettol hand wipes. Okay, so that's that flat compartment empty. You can happily fit a full-size wallet in there using it like a handbag. And I'll flip it around. We'll finish the inside first. So I always have it laid out kind of like a cake in like tiers. So the clothes are on the bottom, so changing mat, clothes are on the bottom, nappies, like diapers are on top, and a bibby and that sort of thing. I always have slipped down the side his first aid kit, and this is in my little Longchamp. It kind of looks like the Longchamp pencil case, but this is the cosmetic case in black. Now his baby bag, or must-use baby bag, originally it was this nylon fabric, and it started to oxidize. Like, see, you can see there on the corner, it picked up all of, like, it's almost like mold, and it just kept happening. Every time I washed it or wiped it down, it kept happening. In here are your Panadols, your Fees, nose sprays, Infocol, things like that, all down inside. This is his little first aid kit. Up in here, in the two slip pockets, I have like diaper cream, like nappy cream, barrier creams. This is a great one. You can just pick this up from Woolworths. It's a great one. It's like lanolin. I have spare socks here in these slip pocket as well. These are so great for easy access. And then another little diaper cream and a couple of dummies are down inside here. I have his current bottle sitting on top of the formula dispenser. So that's it there. And then there are all his clothes on this side. There's his formula dispenser, so it sits perfectly like down here. It's really, really good. So you know they're easy, just flip them up and put the formula in because he's a formula baby. I have extra sticky fingers for wipes to wipe down benches and things like that. And then these are all his change of clothes. I was going to get a Samorga bag organizer, however there's not enough room inside here. There's a D-ring here on the side, which is nice if I want to connect my my keychain extender, which you can see down here on my Palm Springs, and have my wallet inside. On this side pocket I always keep my little I got this in Hong Kong, my little Winnie the Pooh thermos with distilled water in it, so that I can just make up a bottle straight away with his distilled water. But if I am carrying it, if I do put my things in it and I don't want to carry my own bag, my own handbag, I just bought my essentials down, so my card case, my keys and my phone and my car key. I will just slip them all in this side pocket. It is so, that is the best thing about this bag, is that you can just double up all your items in these in the side kind of wing pocket. Okay, if I was to put everything back in for the layout of a baby bag, like how I have it, if I can show you my things on the side, you can see how that fits, water down the side. That's how I would have it with my stuff in this pocket as well. So naturally, being how much is in this bag, it won't do up happily, like it, see, yeah, it's not going to do up. But for a baby bag, that's fine. For a handbag, this is just such a tower of a bag. Everything goes up, so you can stack your items like this, and then you could get like a jacket or a shawl on top. Review-wise, the most amazing thing about this handbag is these flat vachette handles. They are, I should say straps really. They are so comfortable and beautiful. There is nothing like vachette that's patinaed as your strap on your shoulder that's this width. Really, it isn't. I remember when I had my Stressor PM, and it has straps like this, and I loved it because it's so comfy on your shoulder versus something like a Neverfull. If you were having a Neverfull as a baby bag, I mean, that becomes so weighty on your shoulder. It really, really does. And those thin straps tend to dig in. So that is definitely a pro. Whether you care or not, you're going to have the leaves on the side are going to dog ear. They're just going to do it. That's just standard procedure with patina. Over time they flip up. It's just what happens. So obviously, being pre-loved, this one's got a nice patina on it already, and they're flipped up. Doesn't bother me. Nothing wear-wise bothers me except supreme stains and dirt and any tears in canvas. That's one thing that is a deal breaker for me, pre-loved. The zipper is beautiful. Oh, I was going to find you the date code, wasn't I? Okay, so they're in these side pockets, so it's down here. It reads SD, so USA 2039, so the 23rd week of 2009. This bag was manufactured. The hardware is beautiful. It is so beautiful. It's that really 2009 circa solid feeling hardware. Beautiful, beautiful zipper. Let's just take it out to show you the zipper. Okay, so I just took that top layer of bibbies and things out. So let's go ahead and do the zipper up. It really is such a beautiful zipper. Are you okay? So he's just down there and he's bouncing now, having a little bounce. So yeah, just a gorgeous zipper. You know, this reminds me of all of my original kind of pieces, in the sense of just, I don't know what I mean when I say that. Some people ask me what I mean, but just sturdier kind of hardy wearing, I suppose. Here is the made in stamp. It says Louis Vuitton, Paris, made in the USA. Love that. So yeah, it has no feet on the bottom. As you can see, it just has the piping of the vachette. Don't mind that at all. It doesn't really get that dirty, because once it sort of starts to patina, it's kind of coated a little bit. And plus I don't set my bag down on the ground anyway. So all in all, this is a supreme bag. Handbag as well. I think if you were looking for a tote size bag to compare with a Neverfull MM, but you want it to have a zipper closure, you want to save a bit of money on the resale market, I will find some awesome versions of this, and I will link them below, that I like my picks on what I would, if I was repurchasing it, whether it's in Damier Bin or Damier Azur, I will put them below what I think. And it was just kind of one of those like original Louis Vuitton styles that was just so fantastic, and it's a shame it's not held on to, you know, its legacy, I suppose, like a Speedy or a Neverfull, but it really is. So I'm so glad I could pick one up for my baby bag in the MM size. Someone asked if I was going to get it in the GM size. I think that would be great. I just didn't want a really big baby bag. I wanted to be able to sort of downsize the things I need, because I really only do sort of quick trips in and out of the house with Zaki. So yeah, it works perfectly. So that is it for my second behind the camera video. This is a requested video, definitely, to do a kind of a semi what's in my baby bag and little mini review on this. It's totally MM, 100%. I think it is a fabulous bag, and I'm really happy that I got my hands on it. Again, I will link some below for you. If you like it, again, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and wish to do so, there is a button below with a bell next to it. If you hit that bell, you will become part of my notification squad. A shout out to my notification squad. Shout out to my firsts. We play firsts on Instagram stories. If you don't know, check it out. Next time I upload, I let people know, and then we race to comment first. It's really fun. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Take care. Peace.